If you're an entrepreneur or thinking of becoming one, this video is essential for you. We're going to share advanced tips inspired by geniuses like Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, and the founders of Facebook to help young entrepreneurs avoid common mistakes that can lead small businesses to fail. Pay special attention to points 2 and 4, as they are crucial for success. 1. Follow the 2 pizza rule. Many young entrepreneurs dream of quickly expanding their small business into a large company with a big team. However, Jeff Bezos advises keeping your team small enough that it can be fed with just 2 pizzas. This strategy maintains efficiency and productivity, preventing unnecessary financial strain from a large team. Why this matters: a smaller team means better communication and faster decision-making. Large teams can sometimes slow down processes and introduce complexities. Focus on hiring only when absolutely necessary and ensure each team member adds significant value. 2. Learn from unhappy customers. Unhappy customers are a valuable resource for identifying weaknesses in your products or services. Instead of avoiding them, listen to their feedback to make improvements and foster long-term growth. Why this matters: addressing customer concerns can turn critics into loyal supporters. By actively seeking feedback, you not only improve your offerings but also show customers that you care, which enhances your brand's reputation. 3. Prepare for financial changes. Many small businesses struggle with financial planning. From the start, it's important to set aside profits for challenging times and create financial plans to ensure your business can survive and thrive long-term. Why this matters: financial stability is crucial for navigating tough periods. By having a financial cushion, you can seize opportunities and weather unforeseen challenges, ensuring the longevity of your business. 4. Quality over quantity. Steve Jobs always emphasized the importance of focusing on quality rather than quantity. By improving the quality of your products or services, you can build trust and relationships with your customers, leading to long-term success. Why this matters: high-quality offerings stand out in a crowded market. They not only attract customers but also encourage repeat business and referrals, providing a strong foundation for sustainable growth. 5. Pay attention to marketing and sales. Understanding how to market and sell your products is crucial. Relying solely on online ads isn't enough. You need to develop communication, sales, and marketing skills to effectively promote your business face-to-face. Why this matters: personal connections can significantly impact your business. Mastering direct communication and sales techniques helps build trust and can differentiate you from competitors relying solely on digital strategies. If you want more videos on business advice and related topics, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. Remember, each of these strategies can significantly impact your entrepreneurial journey. Apply them thoughtfully and adapt them to your unique circumstances to maximize success.